Here is a quick overview on how to use a drill and tap chart. It's pretty simple, straightforward. I think you could figure it out on your own, but I'll help you. First, you want to look at the drill sizes. Numbers, letters, and fractions are how drill bits are organized. So if you look here, let's look at fractions first. 1/64th, 1/32nd, 3/64ths, and so on. And it breaks the fractions down to its lowest common denominator. So fraction size is one way to size a drill bit. Second way to size a drill bit is by its numbers. So the smallest drill bit is a number 80.0135. So if we look in the left-hand column, you can see the numbers in the column, and they go down to drill bit number 1. Okay? The last way to size a drill bit, there's drill bit 1. Last way to size a drill bit is by letters. And you can see the letters here in this column. So that tells you the decimal size. So again, the great thing about it is you have fractions, numbers, and letters. In the column next to it is the decimal size in inches. Right? That tells you the size of the drill bit. If you were to use a micrometer to see what size drill bit you have, if you can't read the reading on the shank. Let's move to the other side of the chart, looking at tap sizes. Here's our first tap size on the chart, 1/4-20. If I follow that number across, 0.2001 is the drill bit I would use to drill a hole before using a 1/4-20 tap. That is the best size drill bit to use for this tap. 1/4-28, I'm going to use a 0.213 diameter drill bit, and so on. We can go down to real common size 1/2-13. Use a 0.4219 drill bit, which is 27/64. Pretty simple. Here's our metric sizes, and also shares the millimeter size and the decimal size. Pretty easy to use. That's all there is. Good luck.